Bible Study Guide, Day 42, Exodus 36 to 38. In Exodus 36, we see that the Israelites have taken to heart the instructions given by God and are diligently working on constructing the tabernacle. They come together as a community, using their skills and resources to bring God's vision to life. The tabernacle was a portable structure that served as a place of worship for the Israelites during their journey in the wilderness. It consisted of two main sections, the holy place and the most holy place. The people were instructed to build it according to specific measurements and with certain materials, all of which were provided by the willing hearts of the community. One of the key lessons we can learn from this chapter is the importance of obedience to God's instructions and willingness to contribute to His work. The Israelites showed great dedication and unity in their efforts, which ultimately led to the successful completion of the tabernacle. In Exodus 37, we see a detailed description of the construction of the Ark of the Covenant. This was a sacred and significant piece of furniture that would hold the tablets containing the 10 Commandments. The Ark represented God's presence among His people and served as a reminder of their covenant with Him. It was made of pure gold, symbolizing the holiness and purity of God. The intricate details and craftsmanship put into its construction reflect the reverence and importance given to this piece of furniture. In addition to the Ark, Moses also oversaw the construction of the table, which was to hold the bread of the presence. This table was made of acacia wood and covered in pure gold, just like the Ark. It also had utensils and dishes made of pure gold for the offerings that would be placed on it. The lampstand was another important piece of furniture in the tabernacle. It was made of pure gold and had 7 branches, each with a lamp on top to provide light in the holy place. The design of the lampstand is said to have represented the tree of life, symbolizing God's provision and guidance for His people. The altar of incense was also constructed according to God's instructions, using acacia wood and covered in pure gold. This altar was used for burning incense as a symbol of prayers and worship to God. In Exodus 38, we see the construction of the altar of burnt offering, which was used for sacrifices and offerings to God. Once again, the people diligently followed God's instructions and provided all the necessary materials with willing hearts. A horn was made at each of the 4 corners of the altar, representing strength and power. The altar was also overlaid with bronze, which symbolized judgment and purification. The basin for washing was also made according to God's instructions, using bronze from the mirrors donated by the women in the community. This basin was used for the priests to wash themselves before entering into the holy place. Lastly, we see the construction of the courtyard, which enclosed the entire tabernacle. The Israelites created this space using curtains made of fine linen and supported by bronze pillars. This was a place for the people to gather and worship God as they continued their journey in the wilderness. The total amount of gold used for all work on the sanctuary and its furnishings is said to be 29 talents and 730 shekels. This showcases the Israelites' commitment to building a sacred space for their God. The silver used for the census tax and the sockets of the sanctuary amounted to 100 talents and 1,775 shekels. This served as a reminder that everyone, regardless of their wealth or status, was valued in God's eyes. The bronze used for the altar, pillars, and basin totaled 70 talents and 2,400 shekels. This represented strength and judgment, reminding the Israelites of God's power and authority. Throughout these chapters, we see the use of a variety of materials such as gold, bronze, and fine linen. These were all provided by the community's generous contributions, showing their dedication and willingness to support God's work. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to help us spread the word. God bless you.